I'm Justin Pritchard, and this is a Driving.ca news update. With interest in EVs picking up steam, more and more electric-curious shoppers are making the switch, and automakers are tracking new trends in the process. Recently, Chevrolet identified that having Level 2 charging at home dramatically increases the chances a customer will buy an EV. So the automaker launched the Charged by Chevrolet program for customers of their 2022 Bolt EV and EUV models, which includes the standard installation of an at-home Level 2 charging setup with the purchase price. This consists of standard installation of a 240-volt outlet, which drivers can use to charge their Bolt at home via its charging cable. According to Chevrolet, prime decision factors for EV shoppers are safety and a maximized at-home charging experience in that order. The new Bolt lineup is equipped and packaged accordingly, shipping with a new suite of high-tech safety features as well as the included at-home Level 2 charging. It's a move that should drive EV-curious shoppers into showrooms for a test drive. Combined with a significant price drop versus the previous generation Bolt and the addition of new features and safety content, this is good news for EV-curious shoppers who are getting more value for their dollar. The 2022 Chevrolet Bolt is priced from $38,198, that's down nearly $7,000 from the outgoing model. The larger Bolt EUV starts from $40,198. It can drive up to 397 kilometers on a charge, while the lighter Bolt EV can travel up to 417. If you've already got Level 2 charging capability at home, you can forego the installation and instead opt for a $750 public charging credit to keep juiced up on the go. You can use this for public charging and Level 3 DC fast charging, which refills the battery rapidly while you're on the move. Electric vehicles can also be charged by a standard household plug at 120 volts. This is called Level 1 charging, and it recharges the battery in an EV like the Bolt at a rate of about 4 kilometers per hour. For comparison, with the Level 2 charging provisions included and connected to your home's more powerful 240-volt circuitry, the Bolt recharges about 10 times faster. Level 2 refills its battery at a rate of about 40 kilometers per hour. That's good for fill from empty overnight charging in your driveway or garage and is ideal for active families with multiple drivers, home business owners, or anyone else who needs to be ready to hit the road with a full charge at a moment's notice. Chevrolet says that next to safety, convenient at-home charging is a key demand of EV shoppers. And programs like this are one way that automakers are helping make it as easy as possible for drivers to make the switch. As these two all-new Bolt models come to market, GM is tackling a safety recall on previous generation Bolts, which is seeing 2017 to 2019 model year units being recalled for risk of a fire related to their battery. Replacement battery packs and updated software are among the fixes being rolled out to affected owners. The updated battery pack for the 2022 Chevrolet Bolt isn't likely to suffer similar problems. I'm Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca, and until next time, take care and drive safe.